So, welcome all of you. For today, we are going to learn how to set the environment for the HTML. So, first of all, you need to go to the Chrome and type VS Code for Windows. Go through the first link, choose Windows. Instead of downloading VS Code, the download is automatically. So, you can see the extension download. Simply click on it, accept the agreement. Then go to next, click the desktop icon, click on next, then install. Uh, Installing the VS Code. Yes. Go to the file manager, go to folder, was HTML, then go to VS Code, file, then click on open folder. Select that folder. So we have created the folder HTML. See folder, create. So this icon is the creation for new file. And this is we can create the new folder. Before creating the HTML file, we need to install some extension like code runner. Install the this extension. Then the second extension is live server. And you can install the live server also. Then these two extensions are necessary. If you want to make your code more colorful or beautiful, like I can show you. Uh, Click on the new file section. Suppose index. You need to add the dot extension of HTML. That is the extension of HTML is HTML or HTML. So click on shift and exclamation sign. Then hit enter. This is the boilerplate code. Not live server. And see the result. It will work. So that's all about the HTML environment setup. There are lots of extensions to make your code more attractive and easy to write. Suppose suppose the one of the extension is HTML and yeah. So this extension is used to mention the class name or ID name in the end of the tag. Suppose let's install it. We have installed already. Suppose div dot You can see the showing the class name in the end of the tag. Group name. So this is the use of the HTML and tag label. So that you can see reject folder icon. Suppose images. I want to create an image folder. Okay. Then go to file section. In file section, you can see the new text file. This is used to create a text file. You can add some text here. Okay. In a new file section, you can create a new file here. So, and the third is new window. Suppose you want to run two windows at the same time. You can see this is the two windows. Same. Then this is open file. Suppose you want to open a particular file. This will open that in this file. Then from that you can say open folder. You will use to create an open folder. So that's all about. And also you are set how to save setting. You are writing the code, it will save automatically. So that's all about the HTML environment setup. Thank you for watching.